Two people are dead from a suspected carbon monoxide incident at a Bedford home on Sunday, authorities said. The New Hampshire State Fire Marshal's Office said the Bedford Police Department and Bedford Fire Department responded to Peel Pit Road before 4 p.m. for a medical call. Authorities said relatives of the deceased called 911 to report they were checking on family members when they found them unconscious in the home. Police and fire responded and attempted to resuscitate the two people for 30 minutes, but were not successful, authorities said. Authorities said the primary investigation indicated carbon monoxide was a factor. State Fire Marshal Sean Toomey said they believe the two likely died from carbon monoxide poisoning sometime earlier Sunday. They found elevated levels of carbon monoxide in the home, so they called our office to assist with the investigation, Toomey said. Autopsies are scheduled for today to verify the victim's cause and manner of death. The cause of the release of the suspected carbon monoxide is still under investigation, authorities said. Anyone with information that may help with the investigation is asked to contact New Hampshire State Fire Marshal's Office at fmo@dus.newhampshire.gov or 603-223-4289. Reporting live here in the studio, I'm Riley King for WRMK News 12.